we go further and discuss Beyond Meat, guys, because Beyond Meat price is pulling back and now started to reverse. We're gonna discuss, are we gonna have another squeeze, a warning sign, the first sign for a squeeze? We're gonna discuss it as we discussed it before. We jumped 85%, so we have to prepare. So before we go further, remember, guys, our content here for educational purposes only. So Beyond Meat is 3% up, guys, even though the market is a bit red, but Beyond Meat is reversing 3%, but technically we reversed almost 8% from the dip. Right now, we technically over a critical zone, guys, over the 108. If you remember this level, guys, where we make the short cover last time, where we got halted last time, so this is where we have a huge buyer and big whale, guys, the 108. And as you see here, we have a huge reversal. Last time we did 85%. We already discussed it on our Discord here. We discussed many stocks, not just Beyond Meat. Yesterday we discussed ORKT once the price was around the 26, and this stock jumped 100% after we did this update. Of course, this update we did it right around 7 p.m. CET or 11 Eastern time, and it jumped around or around 1, yes, 1 Eastern time, or around 2 Eastern time, jumped 100%, this pharmaceutical company, and then pull back. So as we said, Beyond Meat looking fantastic right now, if only if we hold the 108 and break the current resistance, which is around the 142. You see this level already tested back here 3 times, and the last time we tested around Friday. We didn't do update yesterday because the price was really low, barcoding, there is no action, and you see here the volume is coming up. The last candle, as you can see here, guys, after the test and after the seller that came around the $1.42, we don't have any buyers and only little seller, and the price was barcoding, and now the volume and volatility came back again because you guessed it, the whale that bought before around the 1st of December came again to add their position here around the 108, and some seller covering up here to take a bit of profit, and the price reversed. But now with the major level that we have to break to have another 80 or 100% is around the $1.42. So let me see how much we actually missing to go there. 19% plus 3%, this would be almost 24%. So we need almost 25% in total to confirm that we squeeze in today for Beyond Meat. So keep your eyes close to Beyond Meat, guys, because if we broke the 141, will be a sign that we start to squeeze. And this time we might have the 158, 175, and almost the $2. This will be the best case scenario to have the $2 test, because last time we have the 150. Now if we have the $2, will be a great sign that we gonna close really strong. Maybe we see the $3 before the end, at the end of this year. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below what you think. We're gonna have the $2 or the $3 before the end of this year.